in Gairaya Dube is one of the really famous song. A lot of people who don't understand the musicality, like general fans, वो एक particular sound को ना independent music मानते हैं. You know, and when it is more of the kind of songs you do, Pratik Kuhar does, and all these people do. Gairaya had a very music sensibility like that. Was it difficult for you to convince for those kind of songs? And all the artists were also new.
It was unlike Gully Boy, we went with one set of artists, Oaf and Savera.
Yeah.
They did the whole.
And they hadn't done anything before that, right?
They had not done anything in mainstream before that.
And how?
And actually, they had not done anything in Hindi before that.
What is that journey all about? Because see, I'm interested in all this mainly because there are a lot of artists who are now starting to believe कि यार मैं अगर independent music भी करूँ, अपनी identity को बरकरार रखूँ, तब भी काम हो सकता है. पहले film was like the thing कि जब तक आपने film music नहीं किया बड़े level पे commercial music, आप commercially viable नहीं हो सकते. But I think the things have really changed recently.
As I said, कि जब पहले script पढ़ा, Shakun had shared the script with me. There were 3 important characters in the movie. So after reading the script, I realized कि कहते हैं तीनों character जो है उनके Venn diagrams कहीं intersect करते हैं पर बहुत अलग भी हैं एक दूसरे से. So I really believe the music you listen to defines you. So yes. One of the exercises I did in Gairaya was I made a playlist for all 3 of them.
All 3 characters.
All 3 characters. What would they be listening to? So because that and music listening experience has also changed. Earlier you would listen music in a as a community.
Yes.
You would be listening to it on a stereo or radio. Now most of the people are listening to it on the earphones. So it's a very private affair. So what you're listening to, जैसे आपका जो Spotify Wrapped आता है उससे आपकी काफी personality नजर आएगी, you know?
Yes.
Maybe you don't want to share your Spotify Wrapped at the end of the year. But that was a very interesting exercise. And interestingly, Oaf and Savera's music was on all 3 playlists. It kind of intersected.
Sorry मैं कट कर रहा हूँ बीच में, but एक imaginative character की playlist क्या होगी वो कैसे सोच के बनाते हो आप?
Because script is helping you, right? The script becomes your Bible. It becomes your कहाँ पे आप जा रहे हैं उसके बाद देखते हैं कैसे react कर रहा है, क्या कर रहा है, ये इस तरह की parties में जाता है, इस तरह के इसके दोस्त हैं, ये ट्रेन में ट्रैवल करता है, बस में ट्रैवल करता है, टैक्सी में ट्रैवल करता है, इस तरह के ऑफिस में रहता है, इसकी ऑफिस पार्टीज ऐसी होती होंगी इसका. सो अ लॉट ऑफ अ गुड स्क्रिप्ट गिव्स यू अ लॉट टू इमेजिन एंड शकुन्स एंड आयशा's script was beautiful. There was a lot of material in it that you could take from. So as I said, like the 3 playlists में से उनकी ओफ और सवेरा के गाने तीनों में थे. Shakun also heard their music, loved their music and said let's talk to them, and we started talking to them. They had done a bunch of advertising. उसमें उन्होंने हिंदी में काम किया था, but the music that they were making was mainly in English. So we said, okay, we'll get somebody interesting to come and write the lyrics, in which I was very sure that again the words have to be very interesting. कहने को होता है when you make music for young people, then young लोगों के जैसे words लिखो, but they were going through a very mature part of their
life and journey.
So we said, okay, let's get somebody with depth in the lyrics instead of getting somebody who writes what we consider as young people's words. So we got Kausar involved, Kausar Munir.
An amazing lyricist.
Beautiful, and she's a poet at heart. So getting her involved with these guys and putting them in a mix, it just started falling into place very easily.
Nice.